Hi everyone, my name is Fulvia and welcome to our journey. Today we're going to discover the town of Ravenna, famous for its mosaics and its beautiful art. Ravenna is a famous town located in the region Emilia-Romagna, and it was the capital of the Western Roman Empire from the year 402 to the year 476. Today we're going to discover one of the most beautiful parts of Ravenna, and it's the Mausoleum of Galla Placidia, famous for its beautiful mosaics and for its beautiful colors. The Mausoleum of Galla Placidia was built in the first half of the 5th century, and at first it was thought to be as an oratory. Galla Placidia was wife, mother of the emperors, and she was the regent of the Western Roman Empire. The message behind the Mausoleum of Galla Placidia is the triumph of life over death. But today, let's focus on the central dome. As you can see, the sky is covered with golden stars, and in the middle, you can see a big golden cross. In the four corners, we have four different creatures which represent the winged lion, the winged ox, the angel, and the eagle. Which colors can you see here in the mausoleum apart from golden? Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn a bit more about the Mausoleum Galla Placidia, you can download our educational kit and have fun while learning. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hi guys, this is Fulvia once again. I just wanted to tell you that my language school, Dream On Language School, is organizing 2 weeks in August, from the 2nd of August till the 13th of August, a camp for kids from 6 to 13 years old, and we're going to visit and learn about Ravenna. So if you guys want to come, you can send us an email or just look on Facebook or Instagram and you can find our page. Thank you. Bye-bye.